When we combine talents, then we get whole talented organization basically. We have a lot of nationalities within our team as well, but also in IT and Konecranes in general. There is low level of hierarchy. It's important to have this kind of self-learning as well. Konecranes is very flexible on anything related to HR things or holidays.
Expertise is kind of important, but more important for me, I think, would be is the person having the right attitude, because you don't have to be a master of everything, but if you have the right attitude, you can always learn and grow. We are already kind of very far advanced in our solutions. Won awards in sustainability, and we are doing very well in cybersecurity, so the quality is there right from the beginning, doing it right.
I feel that everyone in the Konecranes understand their roles, their responsibility, and we are getting the exposure to work more closely with the more diverse people. I feel very comfortable and confident enough when I reach out to the other internal teams, and we normally chat, and whenever possible, we prefer to see them face to face over there. When I initially joined in the Konecranes, it was the dream. They are not just looking towards the employee as a just worker, but they are keen to maintain their health as well.
Curiosity is very important, especially when you are dealing with new things that you haven't necessarily done before. Everybody who we have worked in our teams have the right attitude, and I think everybody has a grasp of what the vision is, that where we want to go.
I think best part of my work is working together with these diverse teams all around the world. We get great ideas together. They bring their cultural flavor to the work, and as IT we need to support our business, bring the value and benefit to the front line and for our end customers.
If you have the right attitude, you could always continue to grow.
We have everything that a company can offer, and on top of that we have great company spirit and also team spirits across teams. I really like here. That's the short version.